personally use the brand Tina, and that made me glow, and that glow builds my confidence. And I think self-care is really important kasi isa yun sa nakakapag-boost ng confidence mo and nakagre-reflect sa tao if your confidence is very low. And it is important to sa sarili mo na ikaw ang cheerleader ng sarili mo para mas maganda yung maging performance mo all throughout the day. I would always choose the memory of my grandparents. They died. My grandmom died March 25 and my grandfather died March 26. And that is the love story that I will treasure because nakita ko sa vows nila na until death do us part. First of all, bashing is not really good because it affects someone else's mindset and mental health, and I've experienced that, but I use that bashing as my motivation to be more better. And I would say to them to just spread love because love can make the universe better and a happy place for everyone. My favorite thing about being a Filipina is that we possess so much courage and determination. And that is what I'm doing right now. Even though I am one of the youngest, hindi ako natatakot to reach for the brightest stars in the universe kasi I am working hard for it. My favorite love song would be Till I Met You by Angelique Kidjo. I would dedicate it to my parents because yun yung song nila nung kinasal sila, and that made the moment so magical and memorable to us.